Here's a step-by-step process on how to transfer Trump coin to your Binance. First, create your Binance account and verify your identity. Next, deposit funds on your account and then find the Trump meme coin on market section and then use the search bar to find the Trump meme coin. Step 5, place your order. Click on the Trump trading pair and go to buy section and choose between a market order or a limit order. Enter the amount of Trump you wish to buy and confirm the transaction. Lastly, after you transfer your coins to a secure wallet, go back to the wallet section in your Binance account. Click on Trump in your assets list and select Withdraw. Enter your secure wallet address, for example, hardware wallet or decentralized wallet like Phantom, and confirm the transfer. That's how you transfer Trump coin to your Binance account.